we're gonna go explore the inside of this convertible top latch motor. Before we remove that, we are going to unlock, remove this electrical connector. Here's our other electrical connector right here. Just this little guy. Perfect, okay. And this tells the computer when to stop moving this arm. But you can see it's bent out of the way. So what caused it to bend, I'm not exactly sure, but we need to rebend it back down that way. So now see what's happened? It's engaged. That felt a little weak, and the only thing holding that micro switch is just the soldered on connections and the electrical wire that runs current through here. We might be able to super glue this black micro switch down to the green board. Okay, so now we're going to test it. We're going to re-engage the rear motors down here. And the way we do that is now we loosen the bolt to about where it was before. So take notice where the bolt was before. And mine was just so the 13 couldn't turn anymore. That's where it was right there. Passenger side, do the same thing. Okay, those motors are re-engaged now. If I turn the car on, is the top gonna work? Now let's see if we can close the top. Top is closing. Okay. Okay, see what just happened right there? On the way down, the hook came out. Okay, we're gonna continue on the down. And then, okay, it started to pull this guy in now. We just wanna make sure that we have our adjustment correct. Okay, so that's tight right there. I want to make sure that when I tighten this, everything still looks good here and there's no air gap on the top. Okay, so if I open it, okay, there's open. Now if I close it, that's closed. So we just want to make sure that the upper bow where it seals to the body is good. This line, is this line good? We don't want any air gaps in there. That looks pretty good. It's tight, yes. So this video kind of covers a couple things. One is a broken top. Two is how to deploy the emergency top. So it's gonna be, you're gonna pull that carpeting up behind the rear seats. You're gonna find that 13mm bolt head on the convertible top motor. You're gonna tighten it to disengage the motor, one on each side. Just tighten them all the way down. They do not have to be tight. You just wanna bottom the bolt out. From there, you're gonna pop that cover off that I showed you with a 13mm wrench. Then you're gonna take a screwdriver and you're gonna spin the inside winding of the motor. Don't take any of those latch bolts out. You don't need to do that for this operation. When you're done and you want to drive off, you do not need to do anything with those bolts again. Just leave the bolts tight as you're driving. They only need to be loosened back up when the top is going to be repaired. There it is, the Porsche Boxster convertible top repair.